pound. I don't have to key up. I'm big pay. I'm not. Shall we go out to the things that one's down? Say, man, where you going here, no?
Right on the harbour. Yes, guys, I know it's been a long flesh. I'm here. Hey, this is my local travel vlog. Travel vlog, a travel vlog. I'm all the way in Turkey, all the way in Marmaris. Is it Marmaris? Marmaris. So I just take the boys. You know, we're trying to go karting right now, but yeah, man, look at the view here, man. It's marvelous. Look at the view, it's lovely, man. You see the harbour. We're right on the edge. Look at that. It is gorgeous, man. Look at that. Right on the edge. This place is really nice, man. So I don't know if we're gonna get to go because it was raining, so the track is wet. So I don't know if it's raining, so the track is wet, so I don't know if we're gonna get to go. But it's a nice little track. See, we're in Marmaris. We love Marmaris. So gonna see, man. Yeah, man, I thought I'd carry you guys on this little trip, little Turkey trip. We're here for about 4 or 5 days. Well, it was meant to be 6 days, but we missed 1 day, so we're here for like 5 days. So it's quite nice here, man. Nice little area. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun now. Hopefully we can get on the track because it's still wet. So have a nice little trip. Have a nice time. So I'll take you guys around and see and show you guys what we're up to, man. But it's nice area. What is that up there? That looks like, what is it, some water slide or some slide? What is that? Well, we'll see how it goes, man. But today is our little first day out. So today we go on our little go-kart adventure. And then tomorrow we go on another little cruise, and then following day, we're gonna nice it up, man. Nice it up, you know? Yeah. I don't know what that is, but it's some kind of slide. I don't know what they do up there. Some crazy slide there. Yeah. But see, they're trying to dry the track out now. Trying to see if we can get on. Trying to see if it's safe to go out because you're sliding everywhere if you don't. So yeah, the track is still wet, so we can't go on it. To leave it for another day. Leave it for another day. It's too wet. So, but to be continued. This is where we're staying. Khan Apartments. It is nice. It's nice and got a pool and stuff. You can see they got a little restaurant and bar around there. Take you inside what it's like. It's a nice little area, man. It's only for hotels, and this ain't no expensive thing, you know. We're just a nice little getaway, just cheap and cheerful, you know. So there's a pool area and stuff. One can go and take a look. Nice and easy. Yeah, so tomorrow we'll go. Well, maybe it depends, but then again, we're going on a cruise, so depends on the time. We'll come back, we'll go. Yes, this is our little thing here. We got 2 rooms. This is one of the room. It's all right, man. Nice little thing here, little kitchenette. Then we have a little closet. We have a bathroom. It's nice. It's alright. We have another room with them little rugrats. Look at them. Yep. Alright, you know, we can't come turkey without trying the kebab. Well, we got chicken shish, got lamb shish, typical English people. Chicken nuggets and stuff. Oh, you got burger there and stuff. But yeah, man, we got talking in this shish. Mm-hmm.